4 essential editing tools: overlay, keyframes, mask, and remove background. Today, I'll show you how they all work together. First, let's start with overlay. Simply put, an overlay lets you add another video on top of your main footage. Import your main clip, then tap overlay and add another video. This second clip is your overlay. You can resize it, move it around, or place it anywhere on the screen. Now, how do you make the two clips blend together naturally? That's where keyframes come in. Select the overlay, and you'll see the diamond-shaped keyframe icon. Offset the overlay slightly from the main clip, then add a keyframe at the end of the main clip. A red diamond will appear, recording the current settings. Next, move the playhead to the beginning of the overlay, open opacity, and lower the value to 0. A second keyframe will be created automatically, giving you a smooth, seamless transition between the two clips. The third tool is mask. A mask hides the parts of a clip you don't want to show. Import your main clip and an overlay clip, then select the overlay and open mask. You'll find several options, including circle, horizontal, mirror, rectangle, and heart. For this example, choose a horizontal mask. You can rotate it manually or adjust the rotation value. Then increase the feather until the two clips blend naturally together. This technique is perfect for effects like replacing the sky. Finally, let's look at remove background. Import a video, duplicate it, and move the first half into an overlay track. Open remove background, choose custom, then use the quick brush to paint over the subject. Once the subject is fully highlighted, tap the check mark to save. Next, duplicate the overlay and move the copy below the original. Select the first overlay, scale the subject up slightly, reposition it, and reduce the opacity to 50%. Play it back, and you'll create a layered double cutout effect using just these 4 tools. Today you learned 4 of the most important editing tools in CapCut.